we will discuss the IELTS General Book 7 Test A Writing Task 1, the informal letter. You have recently started working in a new company. Write a letter to an English-speaking friend. In your letter, explain why you have changed jobs. Describe your new job. Tell him or her your other news. And begin your letter as follows. Dear, an informal letter is written to friends. And although you can use informal words and phrases, use respectful language. In this task, you have to write about 150 words in 20 minutes. The opening and closing salutations are not included in the word count. Do not write an address, date, subject, or a signature. And lastly, leave a line out of each paragraph as shown in the example at the end of the video. This letter can be written as follows. Dear Ajay, this is the opening salutation where you would be writing the first name only. In para 1, greet your friend and then mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, explain why you changed jobs. In para 3, describe your new job. In para 4, tell him your other news. And in para 5, summarize the letter and then end with warm regards, Josh. So this will be your closing salutation with your first name only. In the following slide, I will read out the 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Ajay, how are you? I am doing well, and I am writing this letter to you to let you know about the new company that I have joined. You may recollect that we had a discussion that I was not very happy with my job, and for the long working hours had started to tire me out. This is why when I got an opportunity to work for better terms at a new company, I decided to join it. The job requires me to carry out supervisory functions at the company's packaging department. This allows me to move around my department and interact with various people. Now, since this job has a 9-hour working day, I am free to pursue my interests in music. So I have started looking out for music classes. I wanted to write to you earlier, but I was taken up with the various activities related to the job transfer. Do meet me the next time you are in town. Warm regards, Josh. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel to receive regular updates on IELTS and other related topics. You can do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon at the bottom right of this video. If you are interested in joining me for a one-on-one online session, then you can contact me by email or WhatsApp. My contact information can be found below this video in the description. Thank you for watching.